good for a little over a year. We are in Joe Betts' Arm on Fogo Island, on Browns Point actually, and we experience a lot of salt spray, and these products are very exposed to corrosive.
In the fall of the year, October, November, there's a lot of salt water in there. Your vehicle's covered in salt, you have to hose them off. And sometimes you get once or twice a year, and then in the winter you get a big storm and everything. Last year we had that house, I said it was about 1.5 inches ice until one night. We had storm, we had snow, and the water, well, you could hear the spray hitting off the house. So it was pretty intense.
Well, put it this way, if we were here in January and February, we'd be wearing a lot more clothes, high wind environment, a lot of salt spray. Possibly this unit would be covered in maybe 1 inch of salt water. This unit has a new coating that's supposed to stop it from corroding or give it some degree of protection. The previous units didn't have that, and we found a lot of rust. Maybe in 5 and 10 years the units had to be replaced.
Literally rusted out, decayed. It just went right to pieces, holes came into it, and we had to get it repaired. As you can see, there's rust. The clapboard is all rusty and all that.
Because all the salt spray, well, usually you get rain, it run off, but we have containment within the bottom where salt is running through, and usually the bottoms rust out of them, and creates a lot of problems.
Hopefully this one will prove different, but now then again, saying that, it's not proved in 1 year or 1.5 years.
So far we haven't seen any signs of any corrosion.
2-3 years down the road, you ask me, then I'll be able to tell you what it's doing. If it's going to be good for our climate anyway.
We have support. It's easy to get support. They're basically local. I know we have a global market, but Canadian, it's our product, and we want to stick to our product.
Electricity is very, very important. We're really counting on it. If that goes, well, we're without power. You've got fridges and you've got stoves, you've got everything. When you got a big storm, when all this is kicking off, if you got snow on the ground, it's pretty nasty coming across Fogo Island.
This is the ideal test environment, because the next stop from here is England. So
you want something that you can rely on. Hopefully, I won't see another one go on there. I hope that's the thing.